out here in Aurora, Illinois today at one of my favorite stores, spending even more money again. Today I had to stop in here and get a UV filter for my new camera. I'm shooting a Sony a7 III. I just picked this up last week. This was to replace my old camera that I used for a couple years, my Nikon D750. Still a great camera, but the reason I upgraded to this Sony a7 III was for the video. I want to start doing more video and need something that's capable, and this is it. So besides a couple of cameras in my bag, I just wanted to give you guys a little glimpse at what I carry around on a daily basis. I got some drones. I got a Mavic 2 zoom. Got to have a backup, so I always carry like a Mini 2. And then once in a while we need the big boy. So we got the Phantom 4 Pro. Shoots awesome video. Then for 3D we got the Matterport Pro 2. Got an iPad to run that. And what else do we got? We've got of course we got a tripod. We got a Bogen with a Benro head. So that's just a little bit behind the scenes of what is in my trunk on a normal day. It's a windy, cloudy day here in Aurora, Illinois, and that's what I'm carrying around. So please like, subscribe, share. I'll be doing more of these videos to go in a little more depth on each piece. And that's about it. Thanks. Have a great day. Take care.